Hello again. So this is the vending machine in the school. Yeah, and this is the vending machine like normally Japanese have, and this is a raining season and summer season, and the water or the drinks, it will be the cold one, but if it's in the winter, the down roll will be the hot one. So yeah, today we're going to try the 500 coin, the new one and old one. Yeah, the new one, see, doesn't work, so they are not accepting the old coin, and I'm gonna try the new one. Here we go. So I can pick the one that I like. Normally I pick the milk tea, cold one and small one. 130 yen. And I get the change back from the old 500 coin. So here we go, how to use 500 coin, new one and old one, and the vending machine at the school.